The JST Terminal's Ye-013Br Crimping tool is presented as a specialized instrument engineered for precision work with a variety of small electrical connectors. This particular model, identified as Ye-013Br, positions itself as a dedicated solution for intricate wiring tasks. At its core, this tool offers broad compatibility with several common terminal types. It is specifically designed to crimp JST Xh2.54, Ph2.0, Zh1.5, and Sh1.0 terminals, alongside Dupont 2.0 and 2510 Molex connectors. This range covers a significant spectrum of miniature connections prevalent in modern electronics. Furthermore, its versatility extends to wire compatibility, handling gauges from 0.03 to 0.5 square millimeters, which translates to 32 to 28 Wg, accommodating both very fine and small gauge wiring. The precise capabilities of this crimping tool make it highly suitable for applications in electronics prototyping, miniature robotics, drone repair, or any project requiring robust and reliable connections for compact components. Technicians and hobbyists working with intricate circuit boards or custom wiring harnesses, where space is often at a premium, would find its specific terminal support invaluable. Designed as mini ratchet pliers, the tool features a compact form factor that suggests ease of handling in confined spaces. The integrated ratcheting mechanism is a key design element, typically ensuring consistent crimping force for each operation. This consistency contributes to the reliability of connections and can help mitigate user fatigue during repetitive tasks, making it a practical choice for sustained use. In summary, the JST Terminal's Ye-013Br crimping tool stands out as a focused and capable instrument for professionals and enthusiasts dealing with a diverse array of small electrical connectors. Its dedicated design for specific terminal types and fine wire gauges, combined with a ratcheting mechanism, underscores its utility for demanding, precision-oriented electrical assembly and repair.